Hi, this is Joan of Art and welcome to another edition of our Ilonggo tutorial. This afternoon, I'd like to discuss about Ilonggo accent again. There's this article that I read on the Philippine Star. They say that the Filipino accent is the sexiest accent in Asia. So, wow, okay. But my question is, which Filipino accent? Because the Filipino language or the Philippines is comprised of not only 8 major dialects, but also several other dialects I can't count. And of these 8 dialects, Ilonggo or Hiligaynon is one of those major dialects in the Philippines. Of course, the national language is Filipino. A Filipino, it's actually a combination of most of the major dialects with Tagalog, of course, as base. The Tagalog dialect, they have their own accent, and of course Cebuano, Kapampangan, Ilocano, and of course Hiligaynon or Ilonggo. We also have the Waray-Waray, Boholanon, Palawanon. Of course, in this channel, we're featuring the Hiligaynon or Ilonggo accent. It is agreed nationwide that the Ilonggo accent is not the sexiest, but the sweetest. But I believe when you say it's the sweetest, it's also the sexiest. So one example why you say that it's the sweetest or the sexiest accent, because you see this, this is a knife or kutsilyo or sundang in Ilonggo. Okay, when the Ilonggo is really angry and he or she will say, "Ay karon patsyonta ka." What she's saying is, "I will kill you." Basically, that's it. I will kill you. I'm gonna kill you. So, say, "Ay karon patsyonta ka." Again. "Ay karon patsyonta ka." How about when you're really, really angry? "Ay karon patsyonta ka." Karon patsyonta ka. All right. So what you that's what the Ilonggos say when they're angry. Ay karon patsyonta ka. It means oh, later or now or by and by I will kill you. To kill means patyon. Or to stab means buno. So, ay karon bun unta ka. So you just say it with so much passion, with so much anger. Bun unta ka karon. Bun unta ka. Pasit is laughing at me. Pasit, angayan man ko. Angayan man ko magab. Ay karon bun unta ka. So she's laughing at me. Karon patyon. Karon bunon. Huh? 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 I'm not sure if this is proper in this YouTube channel. Anyway, this is not made for kids. This is made for everyone. So that's how Ilonggos say, "I'm gonna kill you," when they're mad. But the thing is, they're not really serious. They're not really gonna kill you, because if they do, if they really intend to kill you, they won't say it. They'll just stab you right away. Okay. Thanks for watching, and this is Jodavart sharing another Ilonggo insight. See you in our next video. Bye for now.